Hello everyone, today we're gonna start our journey on Nix. So, if you didn't know, since my last video, I moved to NixOS. I just installed it today and we're gonna check out the features of Nix and what it has to offer. So, Nix essentially, the difference between NixOS and Arch Linux is in that imperative and declarative principle. So if I were to open up the browser excalidraw.com/bang, now it in one site is there is imperative Linux distributions. For such, there are Arch Linux, the one that I was using previously, Linux Mint, or Fedora. These are legacy Linux distributions which use imperative principle, which means you type out exactly what you want, exactly what software you want in your system. So if you want to install, I don't know, fish shell, you type sudo pacman -s fish. Now obviously on NixOS there is no command like that, but still you can do something like nixshell -p fish, and it will enable us to enter the fish shell temporarily. I can manipulate, I can edit the config and get out of the Nix shell. Now I don't have fish. And get out of the Nix shell. Now I don't have fish in my path. So imperative Linux distributions, I can do something like Nix shell -p c matrix -1 c matrix. That way I can temporarily run C-matrix, for example, for my videos to make content, and then control C, exit it, and now I don't have C-matrix because I do not want load on my system. Now on something like Arch Linux, you will do sudo pacman -s c matrix, and then to uninstall you will do sudo pacman -rns c matrix. Now these are all, and also there is reproducibility of NixOS. Now if I go into my configuration.nix file, all of these features services are declaratively enabled here. So I can take out this configuration.nix and put it in another machine and it will work exactly like it is on my machine. I have also home manager which lets you configure per user configurations, and this is my system. For now I settled this GNOME desktop because I want to learn Nix first and then go on with my favorite window managers or Wayland compositors. I would like to check out OXWM from Tony, by the way, but it will be on another video. So on NixOS, everything is declarative and every package of yours will be stored in this -nix/nix/store directory. We got a lot of packages, and also you can install, as these packages are stored directly in the /nix/store, you can then install several versions of the same package For example, let's quickly install Python. So now I want to showcase it to you. I can go here and install Python 3 and also install Python 2, and these two packages won't conflict with each other because of the Nix philosophy. Now I tweak it a little things, not things punchy. I enabled trade, blue my shell, dash to dock, no overview at startup to do it for a little to-do list. I haven't done it because I'm lazy. User themes, and on the tweaks, I enabled some cursor, icon theme, tweaked some settings, and that's it. GNOME is very easy to get started and start learning new things. Now, it was a very short video, just a little overview of things. I hope I will have time to do more things on my YouTube. Goodbye, everyone. And in the next video, hopefully, I will be with camera, so we will do a little fun things. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.